BBC interrupts regular programs to inform viewers of the following headlines. Please stand by. According to the Metropolitan Police, there was an attack that occurred around the Westminster area that involved the Houses of Parliament. Just around an hour ago, the building, whilst having at least 100 members of Parliament inside, had collapsed, trapping people inside. Prime Minister Sir John Major is currently in critical condition and is currently being treated in a disclosed location. Due to the rubble, partial temporary closures are applied to certain London Underground lines nearby the area. As of now, it is not confirmed as for the Prime Minister's current condition. However, we can hope for the very best. Due to this, normal programs are halted until further notice. Please wait for more information. We just received news that the Prime Minister, John Major, has passed away earlier in hospital. It's apparent that he had died due to the severe injuries. Her Majesty's government quotes the following: "It's within deep sadness to announce the death of our Prime Minister, John Major. He had served this country in dignity. A general election will soon take place, but in an unconfirmed time. For tomorrow and the day after, schools and work are to be closed to mourn the loss of the Prime Minister. Our deepest condolences go to John Major's family. May God save the Queen."